Prototype program. Super excited to be submitting this to Web Summit. So what we pretty much do here at Adhere Gear is we're doing a smart luggage rental network, super sophisticated system that pretty much looks at all the different problems a person goes through when they're traveling and pretty much tries to find what is a common theme, a common product, a common item that a person uses that they can easily access solutions for these problems. We found the common theme to be luggage. So what we're doing is a smart luggage product that is then inserted into a network system that is accessed through rentals, and then it provides numerous sets of solutions built into the luggage itself for the person to use while they're on their journey. What's nice about that is we all know that technological devices are increasing in terms of the volume and number that a person carries on them on a daily basis, from a smartphone to a watch to a laptop and all these other devices. So we're looking to integrate a lot of these products into the actual smart luggage itself, so it's less clutter a person has to carry, able to access their work material or play material very easily and accessible through the luggage itself. And it also makes for a more organized and streamlined type of experience for the person that's on this journey. So we're really excited about it. We think everybody's going to love it. There's a lot of great benefits to the airlines as well as the airports and as well as the traveler themselves. So it's a win-win across the board. We look forward to hearing everybody's feedback. Thanks.